Need to fix Facebook verification not working? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So let's get started with the video. First thing first, you have to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi. If not, you can try using cellular data as well. Once the network issue has been fixed, the next thing you want to do is move into the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for Facebook. Move into this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version of the app, now move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, head over to Facebook and then click on Offload app. Once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.